Hello. Today, every enterprise is generating a lot of data. An effective analytics platform is one that can bring disparate information together to form logical patterns and present in a more reportable manner so the decision makers can comprehend better. A good data analytics platform would include 5 stages: data collection, cleaning and storage, integration and transformation, preparation, visualization. Data collection: as the organization embarks on analytics journey by collecting data, 2 things should be clear. What are the questions we want to answer? Can we validate and integrate the collected data with the other available information to develop a holistic picture? Collection of data itself can be done through various methods like surveys, interviews, workshops, focus groups, observations, etc. Cleaning and storage. Ensuring data quality is a major challenge. Data needs to be cleaned to bring structure, fixing typos to ensure consistency, remove duplicates or errors, tidy up by filling in major gaps of important data points. Integration and transformation involves bringing together siloed organizational data, integrating information from different sources to join the dots in a consistent way. This ensures an organizational metric is universal and data is interoperable. This is typically done through data warehouses. Data preparation includes any of defining metrics using the data, calculating organizational metrics, performing descriptive, diagnostic, or predictive analysis using the available data. The results of the analytics are presented to users through the visualization layer using tools like Tableau or Power BI. This is what all of us see on our screens as charts and graphs. This is the journey that data undergoes in a modern analytics pipeline. Thank you.